Got a woke up on a little cottonmouth here. I waved my stick kind of close to it, and it's gaping its mouth, showing its stuff. There's the stick. See him beating his tail. He's gaping that mouth, showing what it can do. Pretty chill though. It's not really aggressive at all, just waiting for me to leave. Just not leaving. Out here in a nice little swampy area. Seeing lots of turtles and frogs. Stuff. Just as soon as I got out here, just been seeing reptiles. Maybe a few gators out here, but so far frogs, turtles, and that guy. Kisterdon. Got bad lighting today. Really unaggressive. Not concerned about me really at all. I'm kind of screwing up his hunting, so that's why he's pissed. If for any reason. Doesn't appear to be pissed at all.